Introducing the best NewsAPI NewsData.io. We offer tools for searching, analyzing, and visualizing news data. In this video, we will learn how to use the NewsData.io NewsAPI. So, here I'm using a free program called Postman to easily make API calls. As you can see here in this example API call, we are getting all the latest news articles and also getting information such as the article ID, title, published date, and more. So to begin the process of making your own news API call, the first thing we need to do is to get an API key which we can get from NewsData.io for free. Visit NewsData.io website and just click on Get API Key button and fill out all the information. Once you're done, just hit Submit and now you can get your API key from the dashboard. Just go ahead and copy it. Before making any API calls, we will just look at the documentation to see what API calls the NewsAPI offers. If we look at the left-hand side, we can see there are 4 API endpoints and other information related to making API requests. Now we'll learn how to make your first request using Postman. For your first request, the news endpoint is an excellent starting point. This endpoint retrieves all the latest news articles across various sources. Copy the API key and open Postman, then paste it here, and click Send. Now you can see all the latest news from all over the world. You can also use additional parameters to refine your search, such as specifying a language, category, domain name, and more. For more information, visit NewsData.io.